Hey guys, welcome to Placements Prep. Today in this video, I'm gonna tell you advantages and disadvantages of Tata Consultancy Services. So many of them have received offer letter from Tata Consultancy Services. So there may be some of the doubts arising in your minds. So by watching this video, your doubts will be clarified. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. And it's a good thing that Tata Consultancy Services will be offering many more advantages and some of the disadvantages. So now coming to advantages. First point is job security. TCS provides a very high job security as compared to other service based companies, and it only fires if you have made a violation, like if you are not accepting the terms and conditions, and if you are not following the rules and regulations and keeping the information and sending the information or leaking the information to other companies. And minimal firing was done in pandemic in TCS. Like in other service based companies, there are more firing on more number of students, but whereas in TCS there is only minimal firing was done on the candidates. So it's a good thing that TCS provides job security compared to other service based companies. And next important thing you have to know is work life balance. Apart from doing work, you need to maintain a good work life balance. So coming to TCS, working in TCS provides a good work life balance to a candidate, and there is not too much work pressure in TCS. They will be given only limited work and you have to complete that work in a limited time. And the candidates who are willing to go for higher studies, they can also prepare for that. There will be much time for them, as well as they can work in TCS and apart from that they can also prepare for higher studies. So this is also an important point you have to know. Next point is it provides a very good online library which contains courses of different domain. It provides free resources and it provides a lot of LinkedIn premium courses only for the TCS candidates. You need not pay 1 rupee to learn these courses. It will be free, that is TCS providing for you. And one can do these courses anytime. That means you can enroll this course and you can learn this course anytime and can apply for change of domain. After completion of learning this course, you can also change your domain. And next point is persons who are willing to go abroad, for them TCS is the best opportunity to join. That means TCS provides a high chance for the candidate to go on site. With minimum 2 to 4 years of experience, TCS will send to abroad on site. So it is also an added advantage for the TCS for a student to join in TCS. And next is health insurance. Compared to other service based companies, every service based company provides health insurance, but TCS provides best health insurance policy in industry, and it becomes more beneficial if taken with family. There are two types, that is basic cover as well as higher hospitalization. Basic cover includes expenses up to 6,000 per insured person per annum, and basic hospitalization expenses up to 2 lakhs per insured person per annum. And in higher hospitalization, it is entitled for 12 lakhs as a family floater coverage. So it provides a very good health insurance policy for the TCS, for the candidate who join in TCS. So it's an important thing you have to know. And next thing is leaves. TCS gives approximately 30 days leaves except public and national holidays. These 30 days leaves are only paid leaves. You will be not getting any deducted money from your salary. That means they will be providing, apart from public and national holidays, they will be providing 30 days leaves. So it is also an added advantage for a candidate who are willing to join TCS. And the next thing is transfer. TCS has large number of offices in India, so across it has very large number of offices from south as well as from north. So it is easier for one to change state. and it is very easy for the one to change from one location to other location because it has very large number of offices worldwide. So it is also an added advantage. And the next important thing is brand value. TCS has a very large brand value compared to other companies, as TCS is the biggest topmost MNC worldwide. So it has very large brand value. And next, coming to disadvantages, first thing is projects. As a fresher, you will be deployed in a support projects. If you are deployed in a support projects, there will be training for 6 to 12 months in support projects, and very few people will get development project in starting. So it will be some of the wastage of time. So this is a disadvantage. And next point is reapply. If you leave TCS after some time, then you can't apply again in TCS because TCS is a one time thing. And if you join TCS for 5 months, or else you have experience 5 years and then next you leave TCS, then there is no chance to again rejoin in TCS. So this is an disadvantage. And next point is salary increment. Salary increment in TCS is slightly on lower side compared to other companies. In other companies, the pay scale for salary will be increased by 7 to 8% per annum, but whereas in TCS it will be increased only up to 4 to 5%. So it is also a disadvantage. And next point you have to know is project of your choice. If it is possible that you are trained on one technology and given a project on other technology, suppose if you are trained in Java and you will be given Python project, so you have to know each and every technology. So this is an disadvantage. So these are some of the advantages and disadvantages you have to know before going to join TCS. And if you think that my video is worth watching, then do subscribe to it and please stay tuned to my channel. And till we meet again, it's bye from me. Thank you.